So you want to make money in 2025? Great. Side hustles are everywhere, but let me warn you, some of them might actually break your soul. Today, we're diving into the side hustles that technically you can start right now, but probably shouldn't. These are the most exhausting, underpaid, physically or emotionally draining hustles out there. This isn't your typical get-rich-quick list. Nope, this is the get tired quick, why am I doing this? My knees hurt side hustle list. So buckle up. If you enjoy pain or just want to laugh at what other people are doing for $3 an hour, this one's for you. Food delivery on a bike in 100-degree heat. If you've ever considered working for Uber Eats or DoorDash on a bike in a city with 100-degree summers, just know, it's not just a workout, it's a full-body suffering simulator. You'll be dodging traffic, sweating bullets, and trying not to spill someone's $25 sushi order all for a free tip, if you're lucky. Oh, and don't forget that the app might glitch, the customer might ghost you, and your bike chain will snap on a hill eventually. It's great cardio, sure, but at what cost? This hustle sounds easy on paper. Ride bike, get paid. In reality, ride bike, get roasted by the sun, yelled at by drivers, and barely scrape minimum wage. Reselling clearance items from 12 different stores. This one's called retail arbitrage. You hunt down clearance items from Walmart, Target, and other stores, then flip them online. Sounds easy? It's not. You'll spend hours driving around, scanning items with your Amazon seller app, only to realize someone beat you to the good stuff. The competition is brutal. Margins are razor thin. Sometimes you buy 50 hot items and they never sell. Other times Amazon says, nah, you can't sell that brand. And let's not even talk about returns, broken packaging, or having 500 worth of scented candles sitting in your closet. This is a hustle for people who love rejection, disappointment, and seasonal sales more than happiness. Starting a dropshipping store with zero experience. Ah yes, dropshipping, the dream of making money while you sleep. But here's what they don't tell you. Most people lose money while they're awake trying to figure it out. You'll build a site, set up Shopify, run some ads, and then crickets. Why? Because your ad budget is $5, your product is trash from AliExpress, and your site looks like it was built in 2006. If you're not ready to study e-commerce like it's a PhD program, get scammed by suppliers, and deal with angry customers who waited 45 days for a broken gadget, stay away. This is less side hustle, more stress hobby. Renting out your car to total strangers. Turo and other car rental apps let you rent your car out for cash. Cool in theory, until someone smokes in your car, wrecks your bumper, or leaves a mystery stain on your back seat. Sure, insurance might cover it, but not always. Also, you become a full-time cleaner, scheduler, mechanic, and customer service rep. And God forbid you need your own car for something, you'll realize you rented it to a guy who doesn't return calls. Unless you have a spare car and the patience of a saint, this one's a roller coaster. And not the fun kind, the emotionally unstable kind. Pet sitting for demonic animals. Love animals? Great. Now try loving a 120-pound Great Dane with anxiety and an anger issue. Pet sitting seems wholesome. Walk the dog, feed the cat, collect the money, except sometimes it's dodge the biting, clean up unexpected messes, deal with dogs who cry all night, and try not to get fired by helicopter pet parents who leave a 9-page manual. Oh, and your schedule is now permanently ruined because people need coverage on weekends and holidays. This hustle is not for casual animal lovers, it's for full-blown pet whisperers with nerves of steel. One bad booking and you'll rethink your whole life. Gig app hell. Task anything for pennies. Gig apps like TaskRabbit or Fiverr promise freedom, but often they deliver chaos. Need to move a couch up 3 flights of stairs for 15? That's your afternoon. Want to write 10,000 words in 24 hours for $20? Yep, someone will ask. The reality is, the platforms are overcrowded, the pay is low, and the clients can be intense. You're at the mercy of reviews and random requests. And if you're new, you're stuck underbidding just to get a job, turning your side hustle into a side hustle that hustles you. Some thrive, most suffer. choose wisely. So there you have it, side hustles you can start today. If you enjoy a little pain, suffering, or character development. Not all hustles are glamorous, some are straight up brutal. But hey, maybe that's the fun of it. Or maybe you'd rather not deliver burritos in a snowstorm for $2. Moral of the story? Choose your side hustle like you choose your friends. Wisely, and with a clear understanding of their chaos potential. Now, I want to know, what's the worst side hustle you've tried? Drop it in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who's thinking of selling their soul to side hustle culture.